Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a significant poetess belongs to the feminist study in literature. The name of this poetess is Imtiyaz Dharkar. That Imtiyaz Dharkar is a poetess who born in Pakistan and grew up in Glasgow. Dharkar is a Muslim female. She traveled into the different countries and learn the experiences and the exploitations of the women in different perspectives. Imtiaz Dharkar got married with an Indian man and he lived with him sometimes. The poems which has been written by Imtiaz Dharkar are generally connected with the feminisms of the Muslim community or the female exploitation into the Muslim community under the laws of different traditions and customs. If we look at the literary text which has been written by Imtiaz Dharkar, that Imtiaz Dharkar have written 6 collection of poetry, that is Parda, Postcard from God, I Speak for the Devil, Terrorist at My Table, and Over the Moon. And the 7th collection of the Imtiaz Dharkar is under progress. Imtiaz Dharkar is currently writing upon the requirement of female into the contemporary India or the contemporary world. If we understand her or her literary perspective through feminist point of view, we will discuss a poem written by her in a collection, I Speak for the Devil. And the name of that poem is Honor Killing. Before writing this poem, as named Honor Killing, Imtiaz Dharkar have evaluated critically a statement upon the lives of the female into 21st century. That is the statement which he views, that is, which she views in Lahore in the last years of the 20th century, the woman was shot by her family in her lawyer's office. In Lahore, in the last year of the 20th century, woman was shot by her family in her lawyer's office. Why? Why a woman shot into the lawyer office by the family of a woman? The reason is that her crime was that she had asked for a divorce. What was the crime of a woman? The crime of the woman was that she was asking for a divorce. The whole Pakistan Senate refused to condemn the act. They called it is and honor killing. The people of the Muslim community or the people from the Pakistan country, they refused or they condemned the act which was in favor of the female, and they called it an honor killing. Keeping in this, Dharkar wrote a poem that is called Honor Killing. Let us we will discuss that what is honor killing or what a poem about. I read the first stanza of the poem. At last, I am taking off this coat. At last, I am taking off this coat. That a female taking off his coat. That here a coat means the parda. The parda which is generally wear by the female of the Muslim community. And this parda is going to taking off, as Dharkar says into the first line of the honor killing. That at last I am taking off this coat, this black coat of a country. The black coat means a parda, a black parda, which has been designed by the country, which has designed by the religion of that country. That I swore for years was mine, that I wore more out of habit. It means that a parda is not worn by the woman herself, but she is forced to wear it. She is forced by the religious customs to wear it. She could not be condemned because of the religious laws. But the Imtiaz Dharkar stating in the poem Honor Killing that at last I am taking off this coat, this black coat of a country that I swore for years was mine, that I wore more out of habit than design. Born wearing it. Born wearing it means a Muslim female is supposed to wear a parda or a black coat by religion. She could not be condemned. That's why Dharkar talks about it, and Dharkar says, I born wearing it. I believed I had no choice. It means that a female have no choice. She have to compulsory to wear it. If she didn't follow the rules of the religion, then she have to face many problems, some exploitative problems of the country or of the religion or of the community of that particular region. Then Dharkar again says, I'm taking off this veil, this black veil of a faith. Here, veil means the whole dress of a female who is belong to Muslim community, and she hides her whole body under this veil. And the rules of Muslim religion tells that the woman is protected under this veil. Dharkar says, I am taking off this veil, this black veil of a faith that made me faithless to myself, that tied my mouth. Dharkar is expressing the inner feeling of the female. The female want to, or a female, every female required to expose her feeling, to raise her feeling, to raise a voice, to voice against the exploitative states of the country. I am taking off this veil, this black veil of a faith that made me faithless to myself, that tied my mouth, gave my God a devil's face. The veil is rejected by a female, and female have submitted the veil to the God, which was the devil's face. And muffled my own voice. It means that a woman can clearly utter or can clearly express her inner voice, her inner feelings, her inner desires, her inner requirements about herself or about her identity, as she is also a human being. I am taking off these silks, these lacy things that fit dictator dreams. The Mangal Sutra and the rings rattling in a tin cup of needs that beggared me. That women pause under the power of a man or under the subordinate position of the man. She have to only raising their children and obeying their husband. She have no economical power. She have no social equality. And she have to only follow the rules and regulations in which she was born or by religion. That's why Imtiaz Dharkar raised her voice, her writing, her speeches, her interviews against the bad customs which has been created by men, or against the bad customs which has been created by men in favor of them. And Dharkar only says that, only want to shows that women are equal with that of men. They have their own identity. So at the second stanza of the poem of honor killing written by Imtiaz Dharkar, we'll stop a discussion, and in our next lecture, we will go through the third stanza of the same poem. Thank you.